Hey homie, tell me the answer. Can't help you now, my hands are full. Tell me the answer, come on man, I'm gonna fail, tell me the answer. Told you man, my hands are full, I'm gonna write, my hands are full now, I can't help you. What's the answer? Ma'am, please don't take my copy. Ma'am, don't take my copy. Now this is a scary situation, right? So today's expression is hands are full. Hands are full. So whenever you say that your hands are full, that means you are busy with some work or you are busy with something. So in the previous situation, as you all saw that the girl was saying that my hands are full, that means she was busy writing her own copy. So in the situations like when we're really busy and we want to tell somebody that we are busy, then we can use this expression, hands are full. We can say instead of I'm busy, my hands are full. Now let's learn some other ways to say I'm busy. We can say that I've got a lot on my plate. I've got a lot on my plate. So here basically I've got a lot on my plate doesn't mean that you have a lot of food in your plate. Here I've got a lot on my plate. This means that you are real busy and you have a lot of work to do. You can also use I am as busy as a bee. I am as busy as a bee. That means you are busy with all your work 24/7 and you have to do a lot of work. You can also say I'm buried in my work. I'm buried in my work. This means you are just buried under your work. That means just imagine how busy you are and how many work are there for you waiting. So yeah, that's all for today. The expression was hands are full, and I hope that we all will be able to use this expression from now. So I guess today's lesson was fun. Stay connected to 1 Minute English with Meem to learn English with fun, and stay connected everywhere, YouTube channel and Facebook page, Facebook group, and also and TikTok account, because now our learning will be everywhere. And there's one more thing, if you're new on this channel, then just subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon too, so that you don't miss any lessons from the next. And I'll see you again with another new topic, with another new and interesting phrases. Till then, take care and I love us, and keep learning English easily, because you know learning English is now easy peasy with 1 Minute English with me.